This is a real egg hunt.
Yes. Watch out!
Oops. You're right, Maggie. Your hens do lay everywhere.
That's odd. That egg shouldn't be outside the hen house. Oh, no! The hens must have got out. Oh, but how?
Look.
Huh? Oh, I bet it's Snowy.
Snowy?
My new white hen. She's always trying to escape and lead the others astray. Sorry, Izzy. The eggs will have to wait. We've got to find my hens first.
Where do you think they are?
I don't understand. Where have they gone?
There we go, all ready. Hi, Sid. You're back early.
Yeah. All set for your breakfast bonanza, Shane. I can't wait for my scrambled eggs.
Well, the hot plate's on, the toast is ready, just waiting for the eggs and some customers.
It is a bit quiet. Hang on. That gives me an idea.
Eggs, come and get your lovely eggs. Eggs, come and get your lovely eggs.
Boil and bake 'em, scramble and fry 'em. Everyone likes their eggs.
Good for you and tasty too.
Everyone likes their eggs.
Start the day in a happy way.
Eat your breakfast every day.
Have your eggs any which way. Everyone likes their eggs.
Oh, Shane! What a good idea! Oh, I love a good breakfast.
That's what my breakfast bonanza is all about, Mama Polenta.
Breakfast. Most important meal of the day. When I was in the Navy, we used to eat 6 eggs for breakfast. Raw!
I think Eddie prefers them cooked.